Hello guys, welcome to Tech Chips. In this video I will show you how to install operating system along with softwares. If you have more computers and want to install operating systems every time, uh, what we actually do, install operating system and then drivers and then basic softwares, etc. So it's take a pretty long time. So instead of that, we will install operating system on one computer, uh, uh, and the drivers, softwares, and take a backup copy of C from that computer and create it to a Vim file and apply them to other computers. Pretty easy, right? So let's get started. For this purpose, you should have two softwares, namely Vim Mount and GImageX. I'll provide the link to download in the description. So you should have these two softwares. Okay. Now this is a Windows 7 on a virtual box. Here you should install Windows 7 or Windows 8 on your virtual box, and then customize them as per you wish, creating a username, creating a password, and then installing softwares. I have installed around three softwares, and uh, if you want them to contain some images, for example, if you are running a company and you want the logo to each computers you install operating system, then you can place your logo over here. So yes, because we are taking the backup copy of C, so in each and every computer the new folder will be there, and applying themes such like that. And main thing is the device manager. Yeah, in this device manager, if you are installing this customized operating system to the same kind of laptops or computers, then you can install all the basic drivers. Otherwise you have to uninstall all the drivers. For example, yeah, this one, let me do it. Okay, you just uninstall this one and the network adapters, and yeah, that's it. You just uninstall the other drivers and then take a backup copy of it. Once you feel okay, it is good to go, then okay, right, then shut down your PC, shut down your virtual box, right. Now what you have to do, just go to the file where you have placed this virtual box hard drive, and open up this Vim mount. Let me close it. Vim mount, click mount file, select this one, and then this select. Okay, yes. Yeah, here comes the C drive that we created a new folder in VirtualBox. So now that particular hard drive is mounted in the host computer. So now we are going to take the backup copy of it. So open ImageX, okay. Now specify which hard drive, which partition has to be backed up or to be captured. Click OK, select where have to be saved, install, and then you just set them as per your wish and click create. Yes, so it's take a pretty long time, uh, so just wait. Once the process is completed, I'll be back. Okay, this backing process takes a pretty long time, uh, so let it be done. After it is completed, you will find install.vim around 3 gigs. um, so the next process is we have to test this install.vim by applying them to your hard disks. uh, okay, um, okay, see you in next video.